So we're in Bristol today. We're going to try this hot pot. It's not hot pot. Let's get in.
Doing it in that way, see how it goes. If you need more, you can always scan code and then as long as stuff. Right? Thank you.
Thank you very much.
No worries.
How exciting. So we just got to Bristol. What's the name? I'll put it over. Summer hot pot. I'll put it. Something hot pot. I'll put it over the video. So they're going to bring the food. They're going to cook the food out here. It's going to be interesting. I'll make sure I'll show you guys the whole content from beginning to the end. So stay tuned. Let's enjoy this hot pot.
When you're adding these in, it will be easier if you can hold them all in one hand, get closer to your bowl, and use the spoon to scrape it down, right?
Awesome.
These are roughly round for 3 people portions, so do put extra in on each items because if it's too less, you can't really taste it out. Put extra in, see how it goes. If you don't like it, I'll grab you a new bowl straight away. Is that right?
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Let's make our own topping sauces. So here's our 2 flavour hot ones. Oh yes, right, yes. Now I've got you guys 2 ladles here, 1 with holes. 2 ladles here, 1 with holes to get the food.
Delicious looking food on the pot. The hot pot is here. Let me actually get the camera so you can see how beautiful it looks so far. So the timer, we set the timer to 5 minutes. It's boiling.
It's bubbling.
Cheers. Yeah, it's boiling.
Is it good?
Yeah. So this is a jasmine tea, very nice tea. It smells so divine.
I still want to know what these are. I still want to know what these
It's very yummy.
Was it good?
Go for it. Is it good?
Print out and like the order. Don't press the red button. I will never receive them. I'm waiting for
Yeah.
items. That's why I just want to double check. Right, no problem.
Cabbage is coming.
Thank you.